Breath on the mirror, river in the sky, echoes rising quiet and clear, a name I can't deny. Cold stone beneath the night, silence speaks in hidden light. Every question draws a line through my hands, through my eyes. Pages worn with ancient signs, laugh at the passing of time. Say, child, you were never small, you just forgot you were all. Is the rain falling now? Is the rain falling now? Little river from my brow, running down, unspoken. I am dust, I am flame, I am root, I am one. Is the rain falling now? Oh, mani padme hum. Old prayers carried by the wind, soft words I taste within. Every loss a shadow twin, walking near, asking me to begin. If the ground should disappear, was it ever truly mine? If the truth is already here, oh, I keep searching for a sign. Is the rain falling now? 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 Little river from my brow, running down, unspoken. I am dust, I am flame, I am root, I am one. Is the rain falling now? Oh, mani padme hum. I walked 1,000 empty roads, chased 1,000 borrowed suns, till every question cracked my bones, till every answer came undone. No savior in the thunder, just a quiet beating drum, every echo pulling under to the place I started from. Is the rain falling now? Is the rain falling now? Is the rain falling? Little river from my brow, running down, unspoken. I am dust, I am flame, I am root, I am one. Is the rain falling now? Oh, mani padme hum. Warm ground beneath the dawn, I am the silence and the song. One soft breath and I know